There's a moment just before sunset over the ocean, when the sky does something extraordinary. The water below is still holding the deep, clear aqua blue of the afternoon, but the sky above has begun its transformation, moving through lavender, through violet, through the deep, rich purple that exists only in those few minutes between day and night. Aqua blue below, purple above. The two colors existing simultaneously, neither competing, neither surrendering, creating between them a visual experience so powerful that people stop whatever they are doing just to watch it. That moment, that specific relationship between aqua blue and purple is the one of the most emotionally resonant color combination in the natural world. And in necklace design, it is one of the most extraordinary, most visually powerful, most underexplored color combination in all of jewelry. So guys, today on BB Shine, we are going completely inside aqua blue and purple combination necklace design. The color science behind why these two specific colors create such powerful visual tension together. The gemstone and materials that carry these colors in their most beautiful forms. Uh, the specific necklace design that bring aqua blue and purple together in ways that will stop you completely. This is the aqua blue and purple necklace video, and it is going to change how you see color in jewelry forever. So let's begin. The aqua blue gemstone, what carries this color in its most extraordinary forms. Not all aqua blues are the same, and the specific gemstone or material that carries the aqua blue in your necklace determines everything about how that color behaves, how it interacts with purple, and what the finished design communicates. Okay, starting with it, the first one is the turquoise. That is the original aqua blue gemstone, and 5,000 years of human reverence have not diminished its visual power. Turquoise ranges from pale sky blue through vivid aqua to blue green, the finest specimens showing an even saturated aqua blue without significant matrix veining. Move on, there is aquamarine, that is the blue green variety of beryl. Produces an aqua blue of extraordinary clarity and transparency, where turquoise is opaque and the aquamarine is transparent and crystalline. A light passes completely through it and emerges cooler, clearer, more luminous. Okay, next one, we move on. So there's blue topaz, and it's Swiss blue variety. A vivid saturated medium aqua blue creates the most vivid, most saturated aqua blue available in a faceted transparent gemstone at an accessible price point. Swiss blue topaz beside deep purple amethyst creates a color contrast of extraordinary intensity. Both colors are fully saturated, both transparent, both throwing light from their faceted surfaces in constant movement. Okay, move on. There is fourth one, which is Larimer. That is the rare blue pectolite found only in the Dominican Republic. Produces an aqua blue of extraordinary softness and depth, with the white patterns moving through the blue like light through shallow water. A larimer is translucent rather than transparent. Light enters it and softens inside, creating a dreamy, almost liquid aqua blue that no other gemstone produces. There are some others like blue apatite, like amazonite, and azurite. Azurite is some kind of darker in tone, but yeah, it's not in the category of aqua blue. But yeah, there is amazonite and apatite that are aqua blue in shade. Okay, purple in jewelry exists across a remarkable spectrum. From the palest, barely there lavender through warm violet to the deepest, richest imperial purple. Okay, there's amethyst, which is the first stone in purple form. The one that has carried the meaning, the history, and the visual power of purple in jewelry for 6,000 years. Amethyst ranges from pale lavender through medium violet purple to the deep, rich Siberian amethyst that is the most prized color in the amethyst family. Pale lavender amethyst beside aqua blue creates a combination of two cool, light toned colors that read as delicate and ethereal. Next one is the iolite, that is the violet blue variety of the mineral corderite. Produces a purple that is cooler and bluer than amethyst, sitting closer to blue violet than red violet on the color spectrum. Iolite has an extraordinary optical property called blue prism. Blue prism. It appears different colors when viewed from different angles. From one direction, it appear deep violet blue. From another, it appear pale yellow. From a third direction, clear blue gray. So in a necklace, this means every allied bead or stone is showing a slightly different face of its color at any given moment. Next one is the charoite that is found only in Siberia, Russia, along the Chara River. Is one of the most visually extraordinary purple stone in existence. Its color ranges from pale lilac through vivid violet to deep purple, and its surface shows swirling fibrous patterns of color that look like purple aurora frozen in mineral form. Now there are other one that is like sugilite, tanzanite. Now we'll look at the specific necklace design, but we don't go in depth about the specific design style. I want to go through the main necklace design styles that are included in this video and that are most trending. Okay, so in this there is the alternating bead necklace, the graduated aqua and purple necklace, the ombre aqua to purple necklace, the statement pendant necklace, the multi-strand aqua and purple necklace, and the long rope necklace in aqua and purple. And also there is a wire wrapped aqua and purple necklace. So these are the main most beautiful and trending design style in this category also. But because aqua blue and purple combination necklaces exist across every material category, and each material creates a completely different version of this color story, so there are glass beads in aqua and purple also, particularly check glass and Murano glass that creates necklaces with color intensity and transparency that rivals gemstone at a fraction of the cost. Check glass beads in aqua and purple are available in every shape, every finish, every size imaginable, and their color saturation is in pressed and fire polished formats can be extraordinary. Also, there's crystal beads like Swarovski and other precision cut crystal in aqua and purple that create the maximum possible light return from a non gemstone material. Crystal aquamarine and crystal amethyst bead in a necklace through light in multiple directions simultaneously creating a constant shimmer of aqua and purple light at a neckline that is genuinely dazzling. Also, there is resin and acrylic in aqua and purple tone that are transparent, that are translucent, or opaque, that create necklaces of bold, graphic color at scales that gemstone cannot match affordably. Also, there are some natural shells that are also blue color in tone or aqua blue color in tone or purple color. And yeah. mostly in this video there are beads or stones, not other kind of material only. So yeah, that's it. That's all guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this color combination. If you like this color combination and these beautiful design styles, do subscribe the channel BP Shine and share your thoughts in comment section. Stay connected with me, enjoy your life and keep watching the videos. Love you all guys.